Welcome to Creative Quiz. Hey, today I'm going to draw a iron salad. Hey, Jerry. Hey, John. What are you drawing? You are drawing a wheel? That is definitely wheel, but I won't say which wheel. You are drawing a cycle? No, that is not cycle. But it looks like motorcycle. No, that is not motorcycle. That is something more big. That is big. Oh, you are drawing a pen. Jerry, you are not so smart, huh? Oh, yeah, you are making an ice cream pan. No, that is not ice cream pan. Try. Yeah, I can guess that. Oh, that is a train engine. You are drawing a train? This time you are correct, Jerry. Yes, I'm drawing a big train. Oh, yeah. But I don't think so that is too big. That is just the front part. Oh, yeah. So my drawing is complete. It's coloring time. Oh, and you are using first sky blue color. First sky blue for the window area. The next color would be, I think, let me draw. Let me use sky blue color for that area. And few more here. Did you were right on 10, Jerry? Yeah, I did a lot. When I go to my place, I use train. Oh, really? That is funny. So the new color ready is done. Here is the green color for the bottom part, and the next color would be red again. Oh, trust me, it looks really nice, John. Thank you. You are welcome. That's why you are getting a lot of views in your YouTube channel. Oh yeah, I'm getting a lot of views in YouTube channel, and people are doing comment and they're supporting me. Oh yeah, I saw that people commenting about your drawing is nice, awesome, right? People are really cool. They like my drawing very much. Yeah, I like your drawing too, very much. I'm really fan of your drawing. You are a fan of my drawing. You are my favorite fan also. Here is the yellow color for the wheel. And the final two wheels. These are also yellow. It almost done, Jerry. How it looks. Yeah, it looks awesome. I really like your drawing. I really like your drawing. Awesome. Thank you, John.